In this video, I'm going to go over how to solve for a rate or a time. Here's our formula for finding an interest rate. Notice I'll need a future value, a present value, and a time in order to use this formula. Try this first one. First, I'll need to find my known values. My future amount is $18,000, my present amount is $12,000, and my time is 7 years. Filling in my known values and simplifying, I find that I'll need a rate of at least 5.8%. It's always best to round up. If you round down, you may not quite get to the amount you'd like, but if you round up just a bit, you always will. Here's another. First, I'll need the values that I know. If I'm trying to double $12,000, then in the future I'd like there to be $24,000. And I have a time of 5 years, so going to my formula, substituting my known amounts and simplifying, I find that I'd need a rate of about 13.9%. Here's the next one. My known values would be that in the future I'd like 78,000. I currently have 50,000. My time is going to be 7 years. After substituting my known values and simplifying, I can see that I need a rate of about 6.36%. Now let's practice finding some times. Here's the formula for finding a time. Again, I'll need a future amount, a present amount, and a rate. Try this first one. My known values would be, in the future I'd like 8,000, I currently have 5,000, and I have a 5% rate of interest. After substituting my known values and simplifying, I find that it'll take about 9.4 years. Here's the next one. For my $50,000 to become $500,000 at 10%, I'll need to wait about 23 years. And here's our last one. Notice you're going to have to do 2 different problems this time. In the case of $100, I know that in the future I'd like $200. I'm doubling my money. I currently have 100 and I get an 8% rate of interest. So substituting my values and simplifying, I find that to double $100, it takes about 8.7 years. Now let's check the case for $100,000. Here, my future amount would be $200,000. Again, I'm doubling my money. Currently, I have $100,000, and my rate is again 8%. This time, after substituting and simplifying, I find that it's going to take exactly the same amount of time. Interestingly, the time it takes to double your money has absolutely nothing to do with how much money you're using. Well, I hope that this video has helped with issues about solving for a rate or a time.